Hello everyone, my name is Apoorva and I am here to share my journey with RBM marketing. I started with RBM marketing with a digital marketing course a few months back, and I started as a fresher only. I was having no knowledge of digital marketing, but here मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा from scratch. It's basically instead of coaching, I would say it's a training center. Where you learn everything from scratch and perform everything practically, creating a website, writing blogs, doing SEO on page, off page. Everything you learn in detail, and Vikas sir is here to help you at each and every stage. And it's not just that it's in till 3 months course, so 3 months tak there is he will help you. There is also after support services. So he helps you after the course is completed, and also helps in placement. RBM in RBM there is Nayab sir. He's also a very good teacher and helps in developing your personality and helps in building your resume and how to crack your interview and how to build your personality and how you can present yourself in front of the interviewer and crack the interview. Thank you.